Hi, my name is Dominic Telaro. I'm Director of Industry Solutions for I.B.I.S. Inc. And today we're going to talk about issues that distributors are dealing with and how our solution, Advanced Distribution Software for Dynamics AX, actually helps them deal with those issues. You can see from the picture that the complex environment that distributors are living with is no longer just, I buy a part from a vendor and I sell it to a customer. I've got all kinds of issues. I've got supplier management. I've got supply chain planning. I've got decision support systems. I've got inventory issues. I've got DC issues. So all of a sudden, what used to be a middleman that used to get something and then sell it is now becoming somebody who fulfills a very major role and in a very, very complex environment. Advanced Distribution Software basically developed three different modules: the Advanced Revenue Management Model, the Advanced Order Management Model, and the Advanced Inventory Management Model to help deal with the issues that are facing you, which are driven by the complexity, which is the slim margins, the slim profitability, which is a huge issue for distributors because you've got to bear all those costs and yet keep the prices down for your for your customers. Market is continually trying to squeeze profits from distributors on the customer side because they want to pay less, and on the vendor side because they want to sell it for more. How does a distributor survive and prosper in this type of environment? Well, ADS allows them to manage the totality of their business with a single solution. In other words, you're not integrating, you're not cutting in, you're not using outside spreadsheets or outside tables that somebody is bringing to the table. You've got a totally integrated system which will include pricing, order entry, inventory, supply chain, chargeback costs, deviation, complex sales programs that you can manage from one screen and run all kinds of simulations, vendor managed inventory, consignment inventory, and much, much more, which affect your supply chain. And in the case of both the vendor and the customer, you are the supply chain. You got to get it there for them. So it's important that you have the tools at your availability, at your disposal. ADS makes and provides a distributor the tools required to address all of their business issues and increase their margin by showing them a complete picture that they can work from. One picture, one set of numbers, auditable, traceable. Thank you for taking the time to listen to my presentation, and please feel free to visit us on advanceddistributionsoftware.com website. Thank you.